As you guys can see here, I've got this big old box. And if you can read the label, yes, here they are. Glassskinz, they are the newest members of the family. Thank you for joining the team. They went ahead and sent over, looks like it's going to be a louver and their brand new side pieces. So definitely pretty excited about that. So I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check them out. I believe this is a brand new product. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a little bit unboxing. As you can see, packaging is great. You can see their logo, which is definitely good to go. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and put this on the table and then give you guys a nice unboxing and see what we got. So off the rip, guys, I can see this is packaged very nicely. It's got foam, obviously, and then the plastic, which is super, super nice. Just going to go ahead and flip this over. It says here instructions: install temperature must be 55 degrees or warmer. Glass, so cool. So they give you a little, hey, make sure this is good before you go ahead installation. So that's pretty cool. So a little bit of goodies in here. Always love some stickers and more fitting stuff. Oh, pretty cool. And got me some more banner. Yep. So that'll definitely look good right up there. Got another sticker, so okay, we'll probably get top of those. And it looks like some little 3M primer sticks, so I'm sure those will come in handy. Very cool. Appreciate you guys for that. Alright, so off the rip, definitely packaging looks great. I like how they put the foam in between. Obviously, look, I mean, these things are kind of expensive, so you want, to arrive in perfect condition so you can install in your car. But yeah, look, so far looks good. Really nice plastic, right? It's not just kind of the cheapy stuff that you get on Amazon. So this will definitely look a little bit nicer. I do look how it's got the Glassskinz name right there, so that's pretty cool. And then if you look on the back side of it, installation, I guess, is pretty easy, guys. Just kind of take this off. Obviously, you've got to prep the car, but peel this off and then just apply pressure all the way around and it should stick. So definitely will be looking forward to installing that. But yes, looks really nice. And it's already black too, which is pretty cool, right? I believe this is really easy to vinyl wrap if you have a different color, whatever choice you want. Obviously the car is black, so I'm gonna leave it black. I think it looked pretty cool with the red window tint that I have in the back. So yes, definitely is a win on this one, guys. So we'll see how this looks. Let's go look at these quarter panel pieces and see what those look like. All right, guys, here we are again. So again, this is the new BAKKDRAFT quarters. I think they've barely been on the market. So again, definitely very cool. Matches the other middle piece very nicely. And cool. Looks like they're painted. Pretty cool. It looks even got a barcode with it. But yeah, it looks same thing. Just sticks right on. So it should be a pretty easy install. But I just want to give you guys a good unboxing with it. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just sort of mock this up on the car quick to see how it looks, and then we will go ahead and install them and see what we got. So just a quick mock up and see what we got. Make sure everything's aligned properly. Alrighty, let's look at the other one. Okay. Yeah. Again, definitely with the red tint really sets it off, so very cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the glass. Again, very simple, guys. Just gonna take some isol alcohol and just kind of clean around the edges. Obviously all three windows, and then we'll go ahead and install and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I've gone ahead and just lined it up. I did use a little bit of Gorilla Tape just to make sure gaps are even. And obviously too, rule of thumb for me when I've installed louvers before is you just wanna make sure that everything's lined up. You do want to open and close your trunk. If it does hit the bottom, then you know it is not aligned correctly. So just kind of FY on that one. Very simply, we're just going to go ahead. I'm going to take this part off here. And then we're going to undo the red tape a little bit. Make sure you go back. And then as you peel off, you're going to go ahead and just go to apply pressure. Alright guys, now what I didn't show you is obviously there are 3 pieces right here. There's one here, one here, one here. Again, just go ahead and take off the little adhesive. That way the centerpiece is fully adhered and you've got 0 movement with this thing. But again, overall, it's not going anywhere. So definitely is a great design. But yeah, don't forget that little centerpiece. Alright, so that's complete. So let's, again, rule of thumb, just pop open the trunk. No clearance issues. We're good. Let's go ahead and do that left quarter and complete this project. Alright guys, so same process as the back window. I've already went ahead and prepped the glass with some ISO. So now it's nice and clean, so we're just going to go ahead and mark it up. Now because obviously it's a smaller piece, I can probably just do one side, see where I like it, align it, and then begin to peel. Here we go. I ain't going nowhere. So, all right, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Obviously, you guys can see it's kind of dark outside, so we're gonna wait till tomorrow to get you guys a nice, clean video of the finished products. Just offhand, right now, it definitely is some really good material, well made. I love the gloss black. I believe you can order this in different factory colors, so definitely check out their website and hit them up and see what they say. But obviously black was the easy choice for me. If I want a vinyl in a different color, looks like it should be pretty easy to do. But yes, definitely is a great addition. Again, I think the glass window tint really kind of offsets it. Looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then we'll wait a little bit, we'll wait for some daylight and give you guys some footage of the car outside so you guys can really see what it's about. All right, team, here we are. I like to call this space Area 51. Just kidding. Anyway, car is behind me, as you can see, with Glassskinz new Louver's Backdraft series. Looks dope. But yeah, I guess I want to show you guys the little sunset views on it, see what you guys think. So I think it really just makes a pop. Pretty mean, not gonna lie. It looks good. Looks really, really good actually. So I'll do another view. There you go, guys. All right, that is it for today's video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Check out the hat, by the way. It's on the website. Got another one coming for you guys in a couple days. Again, appreciate Glassskinz for coming on board with the team. Again, guys, lots of cool stuff coming up. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. And we will see you in the next one. Peace.